How to turn on notifications in Honor of Kings. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can turn on notifications for Honor of Kings game using your Android or iOS device. To turn on notifications for Honor of Kings, you'll need to check both your in-game settings and your device's system settings. First of all, launch open Honor of Kings game on your device. Once you end up in this lobby screen of the game, go to the top right corner and tap the gear button. After opening up the gear menu, you'll come across this page where you need to go click Features and Privacy on the left-hand side menu. This will take you to this next page where you need to go find Push Notifications. Tap the Settings button under Notifications, and then you'll be able to see the out-of-match and in-match options. Now, on the next page, toggle on the specific alert you want. If you cannot press on the alerts, then simply click the Settings button at the top right under Push Notifications Permissions, and this will take you to your device's settings menu. From here, click on Show Notification button and then get back to Honor of Kings application. Now, inside this Push Notifications page, find the Out of Match and In Match tab on the left. First, we're gonna find the Out of Match and In Match button. You'll then be able to see that all of the options over here, such as friends login, teaming up, progress, has now been enabled. Now the notification settings for these menu has also been enabled. If you want to turn off or don't want any of the alerts, you can simply go ahead and unswitch the button. Now here you can go ahead and enable specific alerts you want. For example, if you want chat messages alert, then you can tap the enable button right next to chat messages. If you want to turn that off, then simply switch off the button like that. Go ahead and tick on the alerts you want and untick those that you don't. And finally, after you do that, go to the in-match button. And here also you can go ahead and turn on and off returning friend and close friend options during matches. And here also you can go ahead and adjust the returning friend and close friend notification setting. So that is how you will be able to allow notifications in Honor of Kings using your Android or iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.